Imagine starting every morning with a 4-egg breakfast. For years, people were told this was a heart attack waiting to happen. This was due to the fear that eggs raise cholesterol, but the reality was completely different. Eggs never raised your cholesterol and are one of the most powerful, nutrient-dense foods on the planet. This fear was based on a 1960s study that has now been debunked completely. Today, I am going to walk you through what a daily 4-egg habit does to your body, from your heart and muscles to your brain and DNA. Stick around until the very end, because the final benefits are the ones almost nobody talks about. Let us look at how your body actually manages lipids. The vast majority of the cholesterol circulating in your bloodstream is synthesized by your liver, not absorbed from your breakfast plate. When you introduce dietary cholesterol through eggs, your liver simply downregulates its own production to maintain a healthy balance. Furthermore, eggs do not create the bad cholesterol or small LDL particles that are dangerous for your cardiovascular system. Conversely, eating eggs regularly encourages the formation of larger, buoyant LDL particles, which are generally considered benign and do not easily penetrate arterial walls. Additionally, incorporating eggs into your daily routine has been shown to lower triglyceride levels, which also reduces the risk of heart diseases. Essentially, rather than harming your cardiovascular system, a daily 4-egg habit actually optimizes your lipid profile, promoting a much safer and healthier internal environment for your heart. Now let us talk about protein, but let us keep it very simple. Think about most protein sources like chicken breast, steak, or fish. These are muscle tissues designed for movement, making their protein structures dense and harder for your body to break down. An egg is completely different. It was not designed for movement. It was designed as the ultimate starter kit for life. It contains every single building block required to grow a complex living being from a single cell. Therefore, egg protein has the highest biological value of any natural food on the planet. While beef and chicken protein are only about 75 to 80% usable by your body, egg protein is a perfect 100% usable. Every single gram is put to work with zero waste, making it the ultimate daily fuel for recovery and hormone production. Many people mistakenly view eggs solely as a protein source, completely ignoring the incredible energy potential of the yolk. While lean meats force your body to undergo a slow and inefficient process to convert protein into energy, the fats and nutrients in an egg yolk provide a highly accessible fuel source. In fact, about 65% of an egg's caloric content can be readily utilized for immediate and sustained energy. This translates to remarkably stable blood sugar levels throughout the morning. Instead of experiencing the mid-morning crash that comes with a carb-heavy breakfast, you will enjoy steady focus and consistent vitality. This profound satiety is why switching to an egg-based breakfast keeps you feeling full and satisfied for up to 6 hours, naturally curbing unnecessary snacking and supporting healthy weight management without the constant hunger pangs. Let us explore a fascinating and often overlooked feature of the egg white, its natural defense system. Because an egg must protect a developing embryo from environmental threats, the white is packed with antimicrobial proteins. These compounds actively destroy harmful bacteria by breaking down their cell walls, blocking them from accessing vital nutrients, and binding iron so pathogens cannot use it. It is essentially nature's built-in immune shield. Now, you might have heard a rumor that eating egg whites depletes your body of biotin. While it is true that a specific compound in raw egg whites can bind to this vitamin, this is entirely a non-issue for anyone eating cooked eggs. The simple act of applying heat completely neutralizes that compound. Therefore, enjoying your eggs scrambled, poached, or fried gives you all the protective benefits of the egg white with absolutely zero risk of vitamin deficiency. When it comes to preserving and building muscle mass, there is one specific amino acid in eggs that acts as a master regulator: leucine. Think of leucine as the primary ignition switch that triggers muscle protein synthesis inside your cells. Without sufficient leucine, your body simply will not initiate the repair and growth process, regardless of how much total protein you consume. Eggs are incredibly rich in this vital amino acid. This is particularly crucial as we age. Starting around age 40, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle mass, a condition that can lead to frailty and a slower metabolism. Consuming 4 eggs daily provides a robust and consistent leucine signal, ensuring your body has the necessary trigger to maintain strength, accelerate post-workout recovery, and preserve long-term mobility. It is a simple, delicious strategy to defy the physical decline associated with aging. We are now entering a highly advanced area of nutrition that profoundly impacts your cellular health. Egg yolks are a premier natural source of choline, vitamin B12, and folate. Together, these nutrients drive a critical biochemical process called methylation. You can think of methylation as your body's internal maintenance and repair crew. It is responsible for fixing damaged DNA, clearing out toxins and excess hormones, and synthesizing essential neurotransmitters for your brain. If your methylation cycle is sluggish, you might suffer from chronic brain fog, fatigue, poor concentration, and systemic inflammation. Here is the catch. Up to 40% of the population has a genetic variation that makes this process highly inefficient, often without them even knowing it. Eggs provide the exact, highly bioavailable raw materials needed to bypass these genetic bottlenecks. By supplying your body with these specific nutrients daily, you support optimal detoxification, sharper cognitive function, and a much more resilient nervous system. Hidden within the golden yolk of an egg are 2 of the most powerful antioxidants for your eyes, lutein and zeaxanthin. Think of these compounds as your eye's own internal sunglasses. They accumulate directly in your retina, the delicate tissue at the back of your eye that acts like a camera sensor. Their crucial job is to act as a natural filter, protecting your retinal cells from damage caused by UV rays, blue light from your screens, and general age-related wear and tear. If you use a phone daily or work on a computer, consuming eggs regularly is one of the simplest ways to fortify your vision. Over time, these nutrients also sharpen your vision in low light, which is why many people report noticeably sharper night vision. Furthermore, the phospholipids in the yolk feed your brain's fragile membranes, boosting memory, sharpening focus, and keeping your mind incredibly sharp. With so many options at the grocery store, it can be confusing to know which carton to pick. Caged eggs are the least desirable option, as the hens live in cramped, stressful environments that can negatively impact the nutritional quality of the egg. Pasture-raised eggs are undeniably the gold standard. These hens roam freely outdoors, eating a natural diet of bugs and grass, which results in a significantly richer nutrient profile, including higher levels of omega-3s and vitamins. You might also see organic labels. While organic guarantees the hens ate pesticide-free feed, it does not necessarily mean they had access to the outdoors. The ultimate choice is a carton that is both pasture-raised and organic. However, if premium eggs stretch your budget too thin, do not stress. Standard conventional eggs are still a vastly superior nutritional choice compared to processed breakfast foods. Getting the habit of eating eggs is far more important than stressing over the perfect label. To get the absolute most out of your daily 4 eggs, you need to understand nutrient synergy. What you eat alongside your eggs can dramatically multiply their benefits. For instance, pairing your eggs with leafy greens like arugula or spinach allows the fats in the yolk to increase the absorption of the green's antioxidants by up to 9 times. Adding sautéed onions introduces sulfur compounds that assist your liver's natural detoxification pathways. Always remember to crack some black pepper over your meal. The piperine in the pepper significantly enhances your body's ability to absorb the beneficial carotenoids from the yolk. Tomatoes are another excellent addition, as cooking them with your eggs makes their heart-healthy lycopene more bioavailable. Finally, include a side of avocado for extra fiber, and cook your eggs in butter or olive oil. These healthy fats not only taste great, but also ensure maximum nutrient uptake without breaking down under medium heat. If your budget allows and your digestive system handles them well, committing to up to 4 eggs a day is one of the simplest, most cost-effective strategies to comprehensively nourish your muscles, optimize your brain function, and balance your hormones. Your next step in understanding daily nutritional habits is crucial. While eggs are a powerhouse on their own, combining them with another daily staple creates a synergistic effect that profoundly impacts your skeletal structure and metabolic rate.